everyone, this is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have an unboxing to do for you today. This one is from OneDaySaving. So they contacted me and asked me if I would like to review some more of their products, and I said of course, because I really like dealing with this company. They're a great budget friendly company, and they have all sorts of bits and pieces on their website. So they do have a new product in here that they've sent me, and I've picked a couple other things too that I wanted to show you. So it's come in this bag, and I've just opened it. I haven't looked. I haven't had a piece. Is that everybody? That's everybody. Okay, so we have a couple of interesting items here. So I will get started on these guys. So I don't have any diamond paintings today, but I do have some different crafts to do. So I thought I'd do something a little bit different. So I might get started on this one first. So they have a whole bunch of different sort of diamond painting, sun catchers, and that sort of thing. So that's kind of what I went for with this order. From over there. So in here, oh gosh, that's bigger than I thought. Right, so you've got your little pieces you're going to diamond paint. You've got some interesting gems and stuff in there. Ordinary toolkit, and you've got your drills. So let's have a look. So this is it's like a little sun catcher thing that you hang in the window, and I got these hearts. I thought they were really cute. I actually thought they were a bit smaller, so I'm quite surprised they're a lot bigger. So they're on this sort of plastic. They are double-sided, so you do drill both sides. Yes, you do. And up the top there you've got a hole, and down the bottom you've got a hole, because you're going to hang it and you're going to have dangly bits down the bottom. So there's one. So that looks really good. Look how clear that drill field is, and there's actually quite a lot of gems actually that are going to go on there. So I'll just see if I can peel back some of that plastic. So all you do is you peel that back and you put your gems or your special drills on there, and they are numbered, and the number on there goes back to the number on your packet of drills. So too easy. And that is super sticky, so that is pretty cool. I love this little design in the middle. That is so cool. That's one, and that's the other one. So a bit different, but really pretty. Double-sided as well. Oh, that is so cool. So on here you've got your little sun catcher bit. So you've got a really big pear-shaped crystal. So it's all put together for you, which is kind of nice, and that's on a chain. They feel like just plastic beads, which is fine. And it's got a little hanging thing there, and you just clip it on the bottom of your little heart. I love that. How cute is that? Awesome. That's going to look really cool. So there's that one in there. There's another one for the second one. And you've got two clasps, and you've got two chains to hook them all up, so you can hang them wherever you want to. So, oh, that is so cool. And yeah, I thought they were a little bit smaller, so I'm quite surprised they're that size. I'll pop them back in there, and we'll have a look at those drills. So it is special drill, and how will we get into it? Here we go. Right, so how many colors have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors. That's pretty cool. So I'll start with these guys first, seeing as they've fallen out. So for symbol number 13, you've got these beautiful yellow AB pearls. Color 12, you've got the same but in pink. That's really pretty. That's quite nice, that. And you have blue of the same, color 14. That looks really cool. And you've got these beautiful purple rounds. Oh gosh, I love that color. And that is color 11. So you just follow, that says 11, you go to the symbol 11, and there's your drill. Nice and easy. That's really pretty. Okay, and the ones that are on the strips, again, like you've got color 1, color 2, color 3, etc. So that's very easy to follow. So in here you've got your normal rhinestones. You've got that gorgeous purple that is so pretty. A lovely light blue. A pink. Yellow. And looking at the backs of those drills, are looking pretty good so far. Clear. Beautiful blue. Those blues look about the same. That one's sort of a bit more... not darker, but it's got like a different kind of blue sort of thing. Some larger pinks, larger yellows, and larger green. That is gorgeous green. Really pretty, that. Oh, that's going to look really cool. I love the colors. It's a nice rainbow assortment of colors on that. So yeah. Really pretty heart sun catchers. So I'm really looking forward to doing those, and I'll hang it in my kitchen window because that's where the morning sun comes in, and it's going to look awesome. That is really cool. I love that. All right, on to the next one. The next one is a done painting craft as well, and I really wanted to check this out because you can drill the top. So it's all sticky on the top there to place your special, I think special drills. Special drill, I think that is, and it's 2 grid. So I wasn't sure sort of what they were made of, but it's a plastic. That's actually a really good size, and the price was really good too. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. And inside, okay, so they've put the plastic sheet all the way across both sides, which is fine, but I've got to open them both up at the same time to get the stuff out. Oh, that's a good clasp. There we go. So I'll open them both up at the same time. And there's your container. So inside is just your standard toolkit and your drills. So that's actually really, really cool. So it's quite deep. I wasn't sure sort of how deep it was or what size it was. And what I'm hoping to do is store my diamond painting pens in there and my wax in there. That was my idea, which I think my pen will definitely fit in there. Anyway, I'll grab it and have a look. So anyway, that's really easy to open, and it clips really well. You've got your design on the front, and I'm just noticing here that the plastic is slightly off, so it wasn't put on there properly. But you don't drill that pink bit, you just drill that number 5, and that is sticky. Alright, so your stickiness is only on the symbols. That's really handy too. There's no over glue or anything like that. So you can see that drill feels really, really easy to see. And again, you've got your symbol number 10 corresponds to the diamonds in bag number 10. Too easy. And I love this. I love the butterflies. That is so cute. Wow, that looks awesome. All right, we'll have a look at those drills. Alright, so we have, looks like 10 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 colors. And you have some really pretty sort of champagne colored large rounds. Got some gorgeous marquees. Matching color marquee. That's such a pretty color, that one. And look at the backs of those drills too. They look really, really good. Really nice. Some smaller sort of champagne marquees. And some blue sort of dome. These guys sit up a little bit higher than your normal larger rounds. Beautiful blue that. Some yellow. So the backs of these drills look really good. Gee, the quality of the drills that are coming through now are just really fantastic. Look at that gorgeous purple. Oh my. Beautiful, beautiful blue. And a light blue. And these are one of my favoriteest drills. Actually, these white ones with the AB coating on top. I don't know. I just love them. They just finish off your diamond paintings so nicely. So 10 colors there. Got some really, really pretty colors and some interesting shapes as well. So those long sort of dagger ones, you only need 2. I think. You only need 2. And 2 of the other bigger marquees. And yet they gave you that many. You only need 2 of each. That's really generous with their drills. I love that. Oh, that is going to look so cool. I'm going to go grab my diamond painting pens, and I'll be right back. I want to see if they fit. Okay, so I've got a couple of diamond painting pens. I know some of them will be too big, but that's okay. So if I open her up, open them both at the same time. Oh boy, that catch is really good. Okay, so I thought, put my wax in there. I can fit 2 of those in there. That's cool. This diamond painting pen, this is my all-time favorite diamond painting pen. Oh, I love this. It's so beautiful and lightweight, so that fits in there perfect. It's another one I use a lot that fits in there perfect. And this one I just got. I really like this as well. I've tried it out and I'm really happy with it. I figured he might be a bit too big. Oh no, he can fit catty-cornered. Wow, this sort of changes everything to a whole new level. I'm loving that idea. Awesome. So guess which project I'm going to do first. So that actually holds a lot. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. Let me fix him up there. How pretty is that? That's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Wow, I'm impressed. Actually, I want to get another one now. That's really pretty. And last but not least, so this is a new product. I wasn't sure how it was going to arrive in the mail. It did get a little bit bent, but I don't think that'll be an issue. Considering that it had no protection, I think that traveled really well. Now this is a magnetic frame for your diamond paintings, and it's supposed to apparently fit a 30 by 40 centimeter diamond painting. And you can get this in all different colors. I just went with the default, which was gold. It got a little bit mush, but who cares? So apparently, how do I get this to work? I think it's attached on the top. Okay, so it's attached on the top like that. It's got this beautiful gold border around it, and you can get black. Whoa, you can get black. You can get all different kinds. But what you do is you've got a clear cover, like a perspex sort of cover, and you're supposed to flip that back, and this has got magnets all along the edging. And then I've got a diamond painting that I got from OneDaySaving, my gorgeous cow and sunflowers. I love it. So the idea is that once you sort of cut around your diamond painting, you can make it fit, and then you sort of plonk him in there, and then put that across. And it will automatically hold it in, because those magnets are pretty good actually. So it sort of seals there, and you sort of put it in like a pocket, and then you can hang it up. It doesn't have any hangy uppy bits. But really, you could just put like a 3M strip on that and just hang it straight up on your wall, or you can put like your little Velcro dots. You can do that. So that's pretty easy to do. So what I'll do is, further on down the track, I'll actually trim this up and I'll put him in there, and you can see it completely done. But that's pretty cool. I would like that idea. I'm surprised at how well it's traveled, because I would have thought that would get crinkled pretty quick. It does have a mark there. I wonder if I can get that out. But that's actually not bad. I love that. That is great. So it does fit a 30 by 40, which that will fit that. So I just need to trim him. It fits that way and that way. Yeah. So that'd fit perfect. And it's easy. Trim it up, whack her in, shut it, and it doesn't fall out. I like that. That is great. And I don't think they were very expensive either. Oops, we're going out of focus. Yeah, I don't think they're very expensive. And I have a million of 30 by 40. So I reckon if you bought one of these, you got a couple, then they would protect each other a bit better. And because, too, I had funny looking stuff that came, you know, I had this sort of stuff come in with it that didn't help with the shipping. So if you would have ordered like diamond paintings in with it as well, I reckon it would have traveled a lot better. So, but I'm quite impressed. I really like that. So I wouldn't mind getting a couple more to play around with that. So it's very simple. It doesn't matter that it's crinkled on the back because you don't see it anyway. I like that. That is pretty cool. So in one of my videos, I think when I do one of these guys, I'll show you how I put all that together so you can sort of see it for real. But that is cool. So I got my gorgeous 30 by 40 magnetic frame. I got my beautiful stationery case. It's called 2 Grid stationery case. Love that. And I got my beautiful little heart dangly sun catchers. Oh boy, I love those. So that is going to be so cool. I'm going to get started on these guys really quick, especially that one. But that's my latest package that I got from OneDaySaving. I'd like to thank OneDaySaving for once again sending me out some beautiful products. Really appreciate it. I love doing reviews for you. Yep, love it, love it, love it. So thank you to OneDaySaving. And in future videos, hopefully not too distant in the future, I will be showing you how I go with these guys, putting them together, drilling them up, letting you know what I thought about them. So keep your eyes peeled for those videos in the not too distant future. And I will have links to all these products as well as the cow and sunflowers in the description box below if you're interested in that. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!